people try make the embroidered human heart, and I thought I'd give it a shot. So I found one picture that I liked online, printed it onto one of these papers. It's like a sticker. Here it is, and you just stick it onto the fabric, embroider it, and then once you're done, you wet this, and the little paper on here will dissolve. So here I just peeled off the backing from it and put the cloth-like paper onto the sweater, and it's like a sticker on it so it'll stay in place when I want to embroider. All right, now that I've put it into the hoop, I'm going to embroider the heart in black, all the veins and the outline. I just finished this flower, and I'm going to keep adding more around it in different shapes and sizes until I'm happy with how it looks.